Let's look at the knapsack sprayer. The knapsack sprayer, which is also called the pneumatic sprayer, is another garden tool that is used to spray chemicals on our crops, which is a form of fumigation, so a pest control. So you can use it both for pest control and weed control. So you can see it can be used, the chemicals used could be fungicides, herbicides, pesticides, or liquid fertilizers, which has to do with a term called fertigation, when you apply liquid fertilizers using an irrigation system. So this is actually application of liquid fertilizers through a device. So we're talking about uses of knapsack sprayer. So we have is used for what? To spray chemicals on our crops. So we have debur as another garden tool. Now what's debur used for? It's used for making seed holes. Before you cultivate or plant your seed, you need to make holes to put the seed and cover the seeds. So the debur is effectively used for that purpose, and it can also be used for sowing large seeds. Let's look at harvesting tools as another simple farm tool or group of simple farm tools, starting with the go to hell, which is a harvesting tool and is used for harvesting tree crops. You know, tree crops are usually, the heights are usually tall, higher than the hands can reach. So you can make use of this simple farm tool called go to hell to harvest some of our tree crops like cocoa, mango, orange, pawpaw, etc. We have sickle as another harvesting tool, and this is used for harvesting cereal crops like rice, wheat, and millet. So you can see the farmer in the picture effectively using it to harvest rice. It can also be used for cutting forage for our livestock. Forage has to do with crops that are used to feed our livestock. You know, vegetative parts of our plants given to livestock for their food. So you can use the sickle to cut the forage and give it to our livestock. It can also be used for light weeding of our vegetable plants. The hoe is another harvesting tool which can be used for land preparation, can be used for making ridges and heaps, can also be used for planting or transplanting some crops, harvesting of our crops, and also for weeding. You can see the farmer effectively using the hoe in the picture to carry out weeding activities. So it can be used for making ridges, which is also known as heaps as well. Can be used, that is for planting our crops to ensure easy penetration of the roots, for transplanting as well, and as I said, for harvesting.